Traveling the world is a dream for many, but the costs associated with it can often be daunting. However, with some smart planning and savvy strategies, it's entirely possible to explore the globe without breaking the bank. Here are some budget travel tips that can help you see the world on a shoestring. Tip 1. Plan your travel during off-peak seasons. One of the simplest ways to save money on travel is by avoiding peak tourist seasons. Airlines, hotels, and attractions often hike their prices during high-demand periods, such as summer vacations and major holidays. By planning your trips during the shoulder or off-peak seasons, you can take advantage of lower prices. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy fewer crowds and a more authentic experience of the places you visit. Tip 2. Be flexible with your destinations and dates. Flexibility is key when it comes to budget travel. Use travel search engines that allow you to explore various destinations and dates and compare prices. Websites like Skyscanner and Google Flights let you search for flights to everywhere and show you the cheapest destinations from your location. Additionally, being flexible with your travel dates can help you find the best deals, as flight prices can vary significantly depending on the day of the week or time of year. Tip 3. Utilize budget airlines and alternate airports. Budget airlines offer some of the best deals for international and domestic flights. Airlines like Ryanair, EasyJet, and AirAsia offer significantly cheaper fares than traditional carriers. While these flights may have fewer frills, they're a great way to save money. Consider flying into alternate airports, which can often be cheaper than major hubs. Just be sure to factor in the cost of transportation from the airport to your final destination. Tip 4. Consider alternative accommodations. Hotels can be expensive, especially in popular tourist areas. Consider alternative accommodations such as hostels, guest houses, or Airbnb rentals. Hostels are not only affordable, but also provide opportunities to meet fellow travelers. Airbnb offers a wide range of options, from private rooms to entire apartments, often at a fraction of the cost of a hotel. Couchsurfing is another option for those willing to stay with locals for free, providing both cultural exchange and savings. Tip 5. Travel like a local. Embrace local transportation options to save money and experience destinations like a local. Buses, trains, and trams are often much cheaper than taxis or rental cars. In many places, walking or renting a bicycle can be a great way to explore the area. Additionally, consider purchasing local transportation passes or cards, which can provide unlimited travel for a set period and significant savings. Tip 6. Eat smart. Dining out can quickly eat up a travel budget. To save money on food, opt for local eateries, street food, or markets instead of touristy restaurants. Not only will this save you money, but it will also provide an authentic taste of the local cuisine. Consider cooking your meals if you have access to a kitchen, which is often possible with Airbnb rentals or hostels. Shopping at local markets for fresh produce and ingredients can be a fun and budget-friendly experience. Tip 7. Take advantage of free activities. Many destinations offer free or low-cost activities and attractions. Research free walking tours, which are available in many cities and provide insightful introductions to the area. Explore public parks, beaches, and museums that offer free entry on certain days. Use websites and apps to find free events, festivals, or concerts happening during your stay. Tip 8. Use travel rewards and discounts. Maximize travel rewards by signing up for airline and hotel loyalty programs. Many credit cards offer travel rewards points that can be redeemed for flights, accommodations, or upgrades. Additionally, look for student, senior, or group discounts, which can provide significant savings on transportation, accommodations, and attractions. Websites like Groupon and Living Social can also offer deals on activities and dining. Tip 9. Pack light and smart. Avoid extra baggage fees by packing light and only bringing what you need. Consider using a carry-on bag to avoid checked luggage fees, which can add up quickly with budget airlines. Packing efficiently can also make it easier to move around, especially when using public transportation. Research the weather and cultural norms of your destination to pack appropriately. Tip 10. Work or volunteer abroad. If you have the flexibility, consider working or volunteering abroad to extend your travels and offset costs. There are numerous programs that offer room and board in exchange for work, such as WWONF, worldwide opportunities on organic farms, or work away. Teaching English, working in hostels, or participating in volunteer projects can provide unique experiences and the chance to immerse yourself in a new culture while saving money. Traveling on a budget requires some planning and creativity, but the rewards of exploring new places and cultures are well worth the effort. By being flexible, resourceful, and open to new experiences, you can see the world without spending a fortune. Whether you're exploring nearby destinations or venturing to far-off lands, these budget travel tips can help you make the most of your adventures. If you enjoyed these tips and want more travel advice, like and subscribe for more ways to travel smart and see the world.